Hi guys, what's up? It's Kat. Today I am going to be cleaning my room because, as you can tell behind me, it's a tad messy, so we're gonna clean that. This is unfortunate. These are the moments that I just don't know what, like, really, Kat, really. I was curling my hair on my new mirror, which my boyfriend's dad got for me for my birthday. Isn't it pretty? And I guess that I put the curler on my carpet when it was hot without realizing now it's unplugged. But look, wow. I literally burned my carpet. This is a PSA to all y'all out there who may be curling your hair while sitting on a carpet. Don't put your curler on your carpet. Bad idea. Good news, I was able to go through and just cut out the little burnt parts, and since it's such a shaggy carpet, you can't really tell, so. Good, it's all good. So now that that's out of the way, I'm gonna clean up my room, and then I'm actually going to get my nails done, which I'm real excited about because you can see they're not that cute right now. Here's just a little overview of what my room currently looks like. You can see it's not like dirty, there's just a bunch of stuff everywhere that I had to clean up. Of course, y'all already know the first thing you gotta do is make your bed. I don't care how messy your room is. If you make your bed, it is instantly going to look a billion times cleaner. So, gotta do that first. Tim, my boyfriend, slept over the other night and he left his dirty clothes on the floor. What am I gonna do with them? Most often when my room is messy, it's mostly messy because of clothes. So I like to take care of those next. I didn't have any clean laundry to put away, but I did have some dirty laundry that had to be thrown in the hamper. And then there were also some shoes I had to put back in my little shoe organizer, which is from Walmart if you were curious. So took care of my clothes, and I felt like my room was like halfway done to being clean. So once my bed is made and the clothes are all put away and taken care of, I like to separate my room into sections when cleaning it. I just find that no matter how messy my room is, separating it out into sections makes the entire process seem a lot more manageable, and it also goes by a lot faster because you're putting all of your energy and effort into one section at a time, and then once that's done, you can move on to the next one. Also, if you were wondering, the reason that my shoes are here is since I got my new bed, there is not enough room to stick it underneath my bed anymore, so I had to figure out what I'm going to do with that. But as soon as I have a new organization idea for that, I'll let y'all know.
Some people would say to accept defeat. What if this is fate, then we'll find a way to cheat.
This is all bubble wrap. All bubble wrap.
The door, if the answer isn't fair.
And if you were curious, I talk more about it in my other video, but the bed is from Wayfair.com, and my boyfriend Tim got it for me for my birthday. So it wasn't a major cleaning or anything, but it looks a lot different than it did. Clearly, a lot neater. My dress is from TJ Maxx, if you were wondering. I think it's so pretty, and it's even got pockets, so that's my outfit, and I'll probably just put some sandals on. I got my nails done. I don't know what it is about white nails that I love so much, but I just think they're so, like, refreshing and fun. And then they're just the coffin shape. These are acrylics. My nails are not this long. But right now it is 3:33. I am about to have my dad take a couple pictures of me for Instagram, and then after that I'm gonna go change and go to the gym. I love getting my nails done. I feel like a new person when I get my nails done.
Who cares about what is to come? No, I don't fear the night.
I'm on my way to the gym. I was wearing my ombre seamless from Gymshark. It's just way too hot, so I wanted to put shorts on because my gym, the air conditioning kind of sucks right now. So my shorts are from TJ Maxx, my top is from Victoria's Secret, and then I just have on the Gymshark Flex bra. Let's go. Hi guys, I just got upstairs. I got back from the gym not too long ago, and I was just downstairs talking to my sister. It is so stinking freaking hot outside. It's like 90, 89 degrees, 90 degrees. It's so hot. I'm like, I know if you're from a place where that's not that hot, I apologize. But I feel like it was just yesterday I was complaining that it's too cold out, and now it's too hot. I didn't take my camera to the gym with me because I filmed my workout on my phone for the Instagram. So I'll have the little image right here because I filmed some of the workout and I posted it.